Guys, hopefully I'm live. Yeah, let's not watch this. I was just looking at some DC motors because I'm also working on something like that. Also working on an instrument which makes sound from air. I mean, it's kind of it's not really pleasant sound yet, but yeah, it can make some frequency changes and stuff according to water volume. It's just some fluid dynamics which I'm working on. So I'm live. Also working on an instrument which makes sound from air. I mean, it's kind of not it's not really pleasant sound yet, but yeah, it can make some frequency changes and stuff. Yep. So looks like we're live already. Let's go to Onshape. But just making sure though, because I'm gonna check again. Because the thing is, the PCB which I made, it is 1 millimeter. No, actually 0.1 millimeters above 101 millimeters. So that might cost us like extra 10 bucks or something. So let me make sure. It did show me like only 2 bucks last time, but we will make sure because it's like a strict limit, like under 100 millimeters, correct? So let's see. We're gonna be getting like 5 pieces for $9 is the last thing which I saw, which is I think yeah, okay-ish. It's an okay-ish deal for me. So I'll have to be like spending 20 bucks on this alone. I mean, that's not a good deal though. Check. Let me also check in Robu because their shipping cost will be way less. Robu, PCB manufacturing, 15 to 20 days. Let's see. Upload and see what PCB quantity, different design layers too. This is all correct, I think. Let's just make it purple. Looks like they don't have purple. Let's calculate. Breadth is 100. Length is 95. Let's check the calculated price approximately. 900 is come on man, what are you even charging me 900 rupees for? It's more expensive than this. Wow, okay. Let me just get it through this then. It'll be cheaper if I get it through here. Okay. It's 2 bucks. DHL Express Rana, we'll keep it yes. Purple. All working. Yep. So this is good. Let's go back to our Onshape now. Now that we are done with checking that, let's continue with our case. This is how it currently kind of looks. Uh, come to plane 5 actually. So this is a lot of work which you already did. Now our inspiration is going to be here. Let me show you guys my inspiration pic. Where is it? Where is it? Uh, it's on my phone actually. Let me bring it up. Okay. So maybe the thing is because these spaces are also gonna be like okay, it'll be easier to like clean dust between it, I guess. It's good. It's not like bad in general. So pretty sure if we just put the switches there, it's gonna start working. So yeah, the spot has been done. Rotary encoder though, we have to look for something like that. 5,000, 5,000 guys, 5,000. Rotary encoder. What was I going to search for? Knob. Okay. What is it made up of? Oh, this is very small. Never mind. I wanted something like this. Can't I get it anywhere else? Still importing. Okay, now let's get it derived. Huh? Where did it go? Oh, it went all the way over there. Let me transform it by XYZ. Bring it 10 millimeters up. Still down there. 20 millimeters up. 30 millimeters up. 40 millimeters up. Oh, is it that not gonna work for this? Nope, 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 nope. Cancel everything, cancel everything. Why is it stuck there? Yeah. And it's easy. Just move it around. Can we rotate this thing? The construction line. Sketch on a standard plane. Okay. Draw a construction line on a vertical line that serves as the axis you want to rotate around. Transform type to rotate. It disappeared. Comma 90. Oh, uh, bro, no. It's not rotating or doing anything, man. Let me Yeah, bring it here or something. Is it okay here? Hopefully done. Yes. Now also let's transform this. How do I even select this here? This is a bit too complex. Um, Transform. Rotate 90. Oh, no. Axis. Let's have this. Oh no, wait. Actually, no. Rotate it around like this. No, saving it right there. Let's just keep this aside for now. We don't really need this. Can't waste my time on that. Transform 11 is there. You'll keep the rotary and code like I said. We can increase the radius also if we want. So right now the main priority is to make a USB-C hole. I mean what USB? That's a micro USB port, right? Let's look for the exact dimensions of a micro USB port. Uh, Micro USB. Uh, this is only USB type. You just use. Eh, okay. Yeah, it's better if I just read it off the official documentation. It's that port, okay. Documentation for USB-C cables. This is peak. How big is the box? I will check my charger itself. Let me take my scale. Yes, okay. Good thing we have a charger next to me right now. I have to keep around width is around 1 centimeter. Length of the box part is around 1.7 centimeters. 1.6 actually. So 1 centimeter and 1.6 centimeters is like the charger's thing. So 16 millimeters is the length. Where is my on shape? One sec. It's on top of extrude one. Okay. No, no. This whole thing. No. Bro, extrude 6 there. Yeah, let's hide extrude 6. Have to cut through this part, I think. Which is bad. I don't want to do that. That will look like very unaesthetic. Hmm. How will I do that though? Like, it will look actually very unaesthetic. Looks like sacrifices will have to be made. You'll remove this. Oh no, 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 not that. Okay. What did we this extrude 6? Not suppressed. Unsuppress. Okay. So now we'll have to cut a hole through this. How do I do this, man? Where is this fillet? Fillet, suppress this. Okay. So now, looking at it through the backlit, you will have to make a small hole Mari thing. So let's draw a sketch on face of extrude 9, rectangle. Will that work? Hopefully it does. No, no. Like, okay. We will select this. We will click transform. Split by X, Y, Z. No, not this. This is the sketch. Okay, I guess I can't do that. Sketch 9, yes. We'll move this around a bit. Let's extrude this. Remove. Not in this way. Okay, bro, let me like do something about this. This 2 mm, wait. 3 mm, okay, wait, we'll do something. Oh hell no, everything is on top of there only, We will suppress this for now. Splitter. Oh yeah, we'll suppress this. Oh no, not the split. Let's not suppress that. Suppress extrude 6. Suppress. Okay. So now what we will be having to do is make a small hole for this through here probably. No, that's not how it works. Bro, how do I do this? This is like peak rage bait. Will this work though? No, it won't work. Let me go back to sketch. Remove the extrude part for now. Close extrude. Just make this a bit longer. And this also a bit longer. What's the distance actually? 3.2 millimeters. Hey, that is too small, yaar. That is way too small. What? Looks like we'll have to make a big hole then. Okay, remove this tool. So the thickness matters a bit. So let's move this like what's the thickness of this? 1 centimeter. Yeah, this thickness does not matter much. It's only like 0.5 millimeters. So it can be okay if it's like 0.7 also. Yeah, 0.7 will be the comfort zone. 0.7 thickness. Still only 4.6. Yeah, we are cooked. I'll delete the sketch. I'll make it again. Sketch on this. And let's make a corner rectangle from here till here. Let's give it the dimensions. What are the dimensions I calculated? This is 1 centimeter, so let's give it 1.12 millimeters, and thickness let it be like around 0.6. 6 and 12. 12 into 6. No, no. Thickness. I mean, this will be like. Let me do it again. 12. Yeah. Let this be 6. Okay. Now let's extrude this. Remove. Just 2 millimeters is okay. Why is it not removing? Uh, no, like, huh? How do I do this, man? I felt like a pro at KiCad, like, not KiCad, in this on ship today in the morning, but what happened now? Why is it not being ready to extrude? 2 millimeters is not thick enough, 4 millimeters. Okay. Oh, we have the PCB right here. Nice, nice, nice. That's gonna make things even more worse. Oh, that's why I did it here, now. Who made it come here, yaar? Screwed. We'll delete this. Extrude 8 is getting deleted. Sketch 9 is also getting deleted. Sketch 10 is for the win. You can't let it fail like this. Mm, let's go with it's the same dimensions, man. I can't really do anything about it. I'll have to do it separately, I get it. Delete extrude, nothing will happen, right? Okay. Now let's do the same thing for this also. Ah, let's pull out our sketch, this plane, rectangle. Wait. What's the dimensions here? Doing this all wrong. Let me go back to like the very beginning. Is my top layer there now? Yep, it's back to normal, correct? So now I realize that what is this plane for? Yeah. Where's the other planes? Plane for, yeah, plane for is there. The distance between these two is only 4 millimeters. I don't even think my charger will fit through that. And another thing which I noticed is, uh, let me remove this tool like Broplus. Okay. So another thing which I noticed is, where's this extrude? Let me suppress this. Yeah. Wait. Hmm. Bro, hell no, I just realized something. This whole system is not gonna work. It was never gonna work in the first place. Wait, where's my scale? Yeah. Let me take my scale, I'm measuring my wire. Its thickness is like 5 millimeters, okay? But this was never gonna work from the beginning, man. Only if someone told me. This is 5 millimeters. Arey yaar. And the total distance here itself is only like 4 millimeters. Hell no, bro. Hell no. Looks like we'll have to do something about it. Instead of doing this, wasting more time on making this CAD model, we'll keep it like this itself. Yes. Extrude 6 was suppressed. Unsuppress. We'll keep it like this. And come back with the extra connector here. Something here for USB-C one. So it will be better because USB-C is more supported nowadays. That's the first point. And then the second point is that yeah, we can't really put anything there though. So we'll have to do something about it here. In the bottom of the board is good, I think. I believe. Mm, yeah, so we'll stop the on chip operations for now. We'll close it like this. And I'll be back in a second after drinking my water. Before that, let me actually track a bit of my progress right here. I closed Onshape already. Let me go back to my Onshape. Let me go to sniping tool. Uh, yes, this card. Yes, this group and I'll remove this plane. We'll remove this plane also. Let's go zoom in a bit. This will be good. Mm-hmm. I'll be back in a second. Let me come to my OBS screen. Yep. I'm back, guys. Coming back to the design, I've decided decided that I'll go back to KiCad. It's already open now. Oh yeah, it's already open. Let's open schematic editor. I've decided something. I will be making another power input thingy. Uh, Man, the thing is, I designed a custom circuit board. Like sourced the parts. I designed like a 3D case as well, but I completely forgot that the microcontroller had to be plugged in, and so like I don't know what to do now. So I built something and I forgot to install that or. Hmm. I think I've been thinking about it for the past 5 minutes, like 5 minutes, yeah. Search for what can we search for? MC female. Will these fit in though? Uh, Thing is, I'm planning to put this inside the thingy so that the outside I can have my USB-C plug and like just plug it in directly. But I realize again that the problem is not that. The problem is that let me suppress this. The problem is that there's no actual space for it to be there because of my PCB now. Let's check the distance actually. Uh, Parallel distance between this and this is what 1 millimeter. And no, like USB thingy is going to be 1 millimeter. Let me check mine. My USB cable. That is 2 millimeters. Yes. So yeah, that is not going to be fitting in at all. So instead of doing that, let me yeah, I'll have to do something else about it. Um, yeah, we came and we found a big issue at least. I guess that's something which we worked on. Let's unsuppress this. Where is extrude 6? So unsuppress. It's back to chip. But yeah, I have to find like a solution for this. We are only 46 minutes into the stream and I don't really know what to do about it. So, yeah, let me think about it for a while. I will be back into stream, Mister. I wish there was a way to stream, like pause streaming though. That would be so cool. Oh man, okay. We analyze this stuff. Shoot six. Uh, uh, is there a way to carve out the plastic from the edges too? That would be quite fun. And pretty sure it's just like security threat. Security na like power threat. 10 micro USB cable. Huh? And this is good. Pretty sure I bought some. Where is Robo? In my cart. Oh, beyond. Not this. Let me go to my. Mm, So instead, okay, I think I might have found a solution. Let me go to KiCad, PCB editor. Should okay. File, open project, downloads. It's already open. Keep forgetting that KiCad is open. So the problem is that the wait, that the distance here is only 1 millimeter. So if I try to plug in my USB port, male adapter, here, then it will like not go on, correct? But I think that instead of soldering the pipe echo into the board, then the thing is like if we don't solder this and we attach some pins here to connect the Pico, that would also like totally work fine, and it would also like mm, okay. Okay, I have a funny solution to this. Like we'll keep going on like this, and if it still does not fit, like when we get it IRL, we are gonna be shaving it off with a knife. I know that's a evil solution, but okay, doesn't matter. First, let we have to make our product ready first. So what to suppress here? Unsuppress this. I'll call that the X-Acto knife plan, but we're not gonna be executing it for now. Main part which we have to do right now is make sure that this part is actually working. So let's go back in time. Uh-huh. Uh, I should go directly to extrude 6, yes. Pretty sure these are still two separate things though. Wait. This is lower than both of these. Can't I just like cut a hole through both of them? Okay, let's try doing that. So let's sketch select this as the plane. Shift to draw a corner rectangle. Let's make it 12 and 6 millimeters. Okay. I mean that is very much not like what my charger pin looks like, but we'll take it. Am I doing something wrong here? Feel like I'm doing some wrong calculation here, but okay. Let's keep it like that. Sketch 9, we'll extrude this. Sketch, remove. Oh, that's so sigma, but I'll remove a little this, yeah. Just 3 millimeters, yes. Oh hell no, wait, I think I might have to move the whole sketch again. Can't I just do something like, yes, this? Where's the transform? Oh, wait. Uh, okay. Shift to extrude. We will transform this extrude. Transform by this. Will it be possible? Put this as 0. 0. Still doesn't look good, so let's move it 3. 3 millimeters. Bro, what? Should be moved like 1 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 1 millimeter. This is moving it by a lot. 0 millimeters, 1 millimeter, 0 millimeters, 10 millimeters. What is it moving? It's moving the. Oh, I'm so dumb. Delete transform 12. But yeah, shift 2. Is there a way to like move this extrude alone? It's 10. That's 12. Let's move this a bit here. Selecting all of them, we can move it around, hopefully. Yes, 12. Okay, done. Now let's click and shift function to. Nope, still no sign of life. Actually, let's keep it like 15 by the way, so like, it'll actually fit in or something. Uh, shift to sketch. Let's keep it at 15.5. 15.5. Yes, and move it around a bit. Where's the transform tool? Oh yeah, it's right there. Yeah, it's right there. Why did I not see that? Still, we'll move it just a wee bit. Okay, perfect. That's literally perfect. So now, going on with extrude 8, we're gonna be rolling all of these back. Sketch 6. Till like, yeah, we'll roll it back to these 3. Wow, so that's good. I think like no one will be seeing the back of us, right? I mean, might as well increase the height for this by 1 millimeter. Screw 6, 3 millimeters. Huh? No, 2 millimeters. What's this? Oh, okay. I get it. The plane by itself was still here. So if I had to change that, it'll take me like quite a while. Instead of doing that, we'll just keep it like this. Hmm. So now what? Is there a way to like reduce this length though? No, it's like perfectly this one only. Around which plane was this one built? Shoot 5 is what? Sketch 9 was on which plane? Sketch 7, yeah. Sketch 7 was on which plane? Plane 5, yeah. We'll increase this, we'll make a new plane. Plane 5, where is you? Plane 1.125, 1.125 millimeters. Actually, 1.5 millimeters will be better. Okay, done. So, let's. Which one was it again? Oh, not these. Uh-huh. This one, no? Yeah, this one. This one was made on which plane? Plane 5. We'll shift it to plane 6. Shifting it to plane 6. Oh, we can't shift it to plane 6 now. Huh? Ah, instead of shifting it to plane 6, you'll shift it to plane 5 again. Tomekao! Tomekao mas. So, shifting it to plane 5, we get this. Yep, quite good enough. We'll move this back in the timeline. Hopefully that will help. So, we have what? Plane 5, plane 4 here. Okay, plane 6 will be here. Good. So now, where was this again? Sketch 9, sketch 7 actually. So sketch 7 will be made using plane 6. Wow, so now our thing is very much messed up. It is very well messed up. Very well messed up. Uh, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम. It was built on sketch 1, nah? Stud 1 make it 15 millimeter done. I'll do it again, not to worry. Delete this. Yep, we're back to like nothing almost. We are done with that. But I'll do anything to correct my design though, so that's something good. We'll hide this plane. Hide plane 5. Everything was happening in plane 5, now everything will happen in plane 6. Sketch is also in plane 6, correct? So we'll select the sketch. We'll delete these fillets. Just these fillets. A lot of the items got deleted now. Sketch 8 will keep like that because it's the same measurement. Sketch 7. Yeah, we'll have to bring this thing up though. What What is this from? Extrude 1 now. 16 millimeters now. That's still not enough or something. Let's see if it's working like this though. Okay. Oh, the split is there. Okay, the split is there. We'll remove the split. So what is sketch 7? Wait, we'll remove this. We'll first make this extrude 1 again, go back to like 15 millimeters. That will be good for it. What else do we have? 15 millimeters, why is it so damn small here? Oh yeah, what is this thing? Fillet. So we'll have to delete this one. What is this thing centered around? It is extrude 5. What will happen if we remove extrude 5? That is, oh, we are going back in timeline. So, extrude 5 is the basement for everything, I think. That is extrude 5. Yeah, it's the baseline for everything. We'll just bring it up to this plane, man. That's all we need to do anyway. It's what? It's not parallel. Well, since it's 2.018, looks like it's kind of messed up. But keeping that in mind, that's actually a good thing, so that we'll get more accurate measurements here. 2.018 millimeters. Excuse me. Increasing this by 2.018, 17.018. Okay, done. Just add a fillet here. Yep. Yes, that's too long though. So let's bring it back to 15. Yeah, it's back to its level now. So okay, if it's like this, no one's gonna see it. Shift function fine. Our plane is that located. I think I just went around and did the same thing again. Let me check my stream. It's like this. Keeping that in mind, that's actually a good thing, so that we will get more accurate measurements here. 2.018 millimeters. Excuse me. Increasing this by 2.018, 17.018. Okay, done. Just add fillet here. Yep. For this also. This whole live stream has been about just one single hole, I just realized. I mean, we learned through stuff, so that's something. Hmm. It's like, yeah, I don't know how to fix this though. Should I just go back to the old version? Yeah, know what? We'll build the same thing again. Doesn't matter. Uh, I mean, it will be so bad if we just build it around that though. Guess I might as well redo this whole thing again. On which plane am I gonna do this? On this plane, okay. Is there a plane for this? Where is plane 5? Yeah, okay. So plane 5, we'll hide plane 6 for now. Plane 5, we're gonna draw a sketch. Uh, just a line. So start going. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. Yeah, now it's gonna be good. It's only 1.5, so let me add that. It's should 16.5 millimeters. Okay, done. Oh, why did it bring this one up though? This one was not supposed to come up. Looks like that controls that part, huh? But what is this part then? Should 5 and 5 mm. Done. That is absolutely built, I think. Yep, and in plane 5 we are gonna not plane 5. That is plane 5. Plane 6 now. You're gonna start building again. So where was the sketch again? Sketch 8. Let's bring it all to plane 6. Yep. Sketch 7. Let's also bring it to plane 6. Oh, okay, it's already in plane 6. Then it's good. Uh, excuse me. No. It here 2 millimeters. Okay, is there an error or something? Sketch 8. What's wrong? First, let's actually merge these. No, like this is extrude 6, okay, and this is extrude. What extrude is this? Extrude 5, yeah. Extrude 5 and extrude 6. Let's combine these two. Sorry, let's first make it boolean. Extrude 6 and extrude 5. Let's boolean them. This union, yeah. Okay. Now, hopefully, while I'm on the verge of killing and I'm back to the dive. I'm under the fucking Pablo Escobar. My friends are saying, shut up, Jenny, it's good. I just wanna be right where you are. In the end, you and me. In the darkness, I will never leave you. Running from afar. Now here we are. So run from the sunlight, Dracula. Run from the sunlight, Dracula. Run from the sunlight, Dracula. Isn't the view spectacular? Bro, what's wrong with this? Can't it just work? Is it supposed to be like, okay, let me bring this stuff above. Yep, I'll bring all these above as well. So now, hopefully, fingers crossed, this will work. Let's not hide this. And yep, extrude, remove. Please, no, just 2 millimeters, man. That's all I want you to remove. Why is it showing me an error? No merge curve selected. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm very stupid. I'm very stupid. I'm sorry, guys. That works perfectly fine now. So yeah, we are back to our case and we have a power socket now. Oh no, don't tell me it's not. Okay, so it's there. It's there only. Mm, yep, it's good. No, oh yeah, yeah, we'll have to make a small hole for this as well. So, include what sketch 10? Yeah, we'll delete this then. Okay. So I had a small corner rectangle here. Mm-hmm. Let's extrude it out. Uh-huh. Okay. No, 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 no. Hell no, hell no. Okay. Good, good, good. So that is how it looks right now. That's perfect. Like good to next to perfect, I guess. So if you're gonna be done with this, how is it going to actually implement these by the way? Like fully when it's gonna have a plastic thing hit it. I just realized that logic does not make much sense. I'll think about the logic and let you guys know actually. Hell no. Because this part, yes, move it a bit. Uh-huh. Can I transform it a bit? Translate by XYZ. This part alone, yeah. No, I meant this part alone. Oh hell no, 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 I'm not doing that. Pretty safe here. Yep, that's the aesthetic, I think. And by tonight, I will be completing all the designs in this, hopefully, so that I can get started with the GitHub documentation and also like design page tomorrow. I don't know like how to use Figma well. I've used it only for websites before, not for design designs. So we'll try that out tomorrow, and also yeah, we'll do the GitHub thing on the final day because that's like the final bit of documentation. So if I am able to complete like be done with the design tomorrow, I'll be doing the GitHub documentation day after tomorrow, and then we'll be done with Valid Deck. I'll submit it, and hopefully it gets approved on the first attempt. So yeah, this thing is done. Should I like round these edges as well? Uh, shift function too. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't have to do that. Let it just be like that. Mm-hmm. That's good enough. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this. Uh, shift function, shift 5. Supposed to curve these just a bit. Is my seam still running? It is, right? I'm on the verge of gaming and I run back to the dark. No fucking Pablo Escobar. My friends are saying, shut up, Jenny, this here. Okay. So let's add a bit of like minor changes in these areas, and then I'll do design part in the next stream. I still have to figure out what design to do. So let's start off with the fillet, 4 millimeters. Yeah, we'll just make it 3 or something. Yeah, 3 is better, way better. Here as well. So we have 4 more fillets to fill. Still as and there. We are done with the 3 by 3 matrix. Now for the OLED display, we'll be doing 4 more. Uh, so not supposed to work. Oh no, no, okay, 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 this one was wrong. And let's hide the sketch now. Beautiful. So this is how it kinda looks right now. Hopefully it gets a bit better, but I don't know. Especially this part, man. I have to pull off some crazy maneuver of a design here. I can like do some sort of pattern and back deck or something like that. It must looks like at least a bit good though, because this place looks very bland. So yeah, I guess that's it for right now. We will check if someone approved my BOM. Slack. What is the time? We are almost 1.5 hours into the stream. That's great. Hardware. What? Let's wait for this guy's answer to come. Hmm. Schematic looks quite neat to me. Let's verify people. So constant reading, by the way, higher ready power. This is very much good. Oh, that's expensive. Expensive AF. Hey, where is mine? Oh, hey, did I not send it here? Oh, shoot. Pretty sure I did not send it here. Oh, hi gang. For visas for Fallout, we are figuring out the invitation letters right now. It's taking a while. Thank you all so much for your patience. Ah, that's nice. Someone completed 60 yards. Nice, man. Congrats. Switch to Team Mumbai. What's wrong? This guy is from India as well. That's great. People are actually building stuff, man. This is actual inspiration for me to also keep building. So yeah, today in my next stream I'll be back with my design part for here and hopefully complete the 3D model today. I mean, whenever I say hopefully, it must complete, never does. So yeah, thank you guys for coming in. Pretty sure no one saw my stream anyway. Figma, well, I've used it only for websites before, not for design things. So we'll take that up tomorrow, and also yeah, we'll do the GitHub thing on the final day because that's like the final bit of documentation. Okay then, see ya guys.